YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here. Today we are doing something different, which is competition. We are doing a cooking competition whereby we have mommy's team and we have daddy's team. On mommy's team, we are here. Yes, we are here. Now I'm Tracy, their mommy.
Courtney and Tendai.
Yes, so that is team mommy. Kisha is going to introduce team daddy.
Here we are the dad's team. My name is Kisha.
Dadia.
Chloe.
Yes, right. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Straight to the ingredients. Now here in our team, we have here our chicken that we are going to use. We have spaghetti, so we are going to make Jamaican curry with spaghetti. And now the ingredients that I have here garlic, I have salt, I have onion powder, I have ginger, I have thyme and barley, and then we have curry powder here and natural yogurt. I'm going to use vinegar, and even Team Daddy, I think they are using it, so we are going to share. This is vinegar, and we are going to use with lemon when cleaning the kitchen. Yes, and then something else that I've missed. Oh, and here we have paprika that even us we are going to use. Straight to Team B.
So here we have paprika. This is garlic powder. This is black pepper, turmeric, the beef, and the garlic which you have mashed, oil, corn flour, tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, onion, and courgettes.
Yes, good. And we have water too. Good. Now I think now we are straight to our competition. Yes, so we are going to start our competition. So it's the ingredients that is going to make the stew. So cotton cut this into small pieces.
So guys, we didn't tell you what we are going to make. So Team Dad, we are making tacos. So we are almost done, and you can see our guacamole is ready. Our fly is also ready. It's just the frying of the meat and we will be done. Results of the guacamole.
Wow.
You can see I'm a very good chef.
And me too. He's not the good chef.
One in a million.
One in a million. I'm the only one in a million.
Hey guys, so as you can see, the dad's team here in the kitchen. Finally, we are putting oil on our pan. This is the process of frying the meat.
La la. La 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 la.
Wait for some minutes.
In our meat.
Salt.
This is the salt. Onion powder. I'm going to put onion powder. Mashed garlic. This is paprika. So guys, we are putting oyster sauce, oyster sauce. They have very different tastes. I prefer this one, it's usually sweeter.
And it's yummy. It's so special. Thank you very much.
So next we are putting the tomatoes. Then we cover it and we're going to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, we have divided the flour into 4 different sections. So I'm just going to take one. I'm going to roll it and then we're going to roll it and then cut it into pieces.